Welcome to day 4 of We Rock Corona. My name is Valerie. I'm broadcasting from Buenos Aires, Argentina, sending a daily impulse of love and positive thoughts to the world and combining them with a movement impulse. So, I'm having a good day today, and this is because I feel connected. I feel connected over the internet to so many different people. To give you a few examples, I just recently had a cup of tea with my ex-co-working space, the Impact Hub in Islington in London. And this morning I've talked to my friend Laura in Austria. And the whole weekend I've been on a Zoom with 70 people with my biodancer tribe here in the school from Veronica Toro, and it's really fantastic what's happening here. Like usually I would be the person who would sit in a cafe with a friend and just be physically with the person I am, and I would be like kind of upset if there was a phone on the table and would distract. But now the internet is really a gift, also giving me the possibility to continue with my work. So the topic I want to put on the table today with you guys is being a connector. What do I mean with that? Being a connector means just be super aware of who is around you. Like people who are maybe in your neighborhood, maybe there are elderly people living in your building that are scared to go to buy the groceries on the street. Maybe you can offer them some help. And also being aware of who are the people in the world. Maybe you know some people in different countries, and maybe this is the moment where you can connect them with each other. Maybe people have something in common. To give you an example, I am now very amazed with online Facebook tango groups. So there is a group on Facebook that's called If I'm Not Dancing Tango, I'm Doing This Instead, and people posting their pictures of tango embraces, and this is really touching my heart. And there are some people who want to learn Spanish, so I thought, why not doing a mate or coffee or tea at 5, as the British would do, and invite some of my Argentinian friends who speak Spanish together with my European friends who want to learn Spanish or practice their Spanish. And this is just one tiny little example where you can like open your mindset and just see if there is something that is around you and you can be the connector. Like you're linking this point with here, wow, with something from over there, and they would never meet if it weren't through you. Like you can make it happen, you can bring people together. And so this is what I want to put in movement together with you. So how does it work? Well, I'm going to choose a song from a band, musicians that I love a lot. It's Dexter Britain, and it's called Nothing to Fear. Very symbolic for this moment. And so what we want to do is, like, remember yesterday when we had a circle around us, like the limited space exercise. Now I want you to imagine that it's not just a circle you dance in, but a ball, like a three-dimensional round thing, and you are dancing in this space. So literally this is the world around you, and you would focus with your eyes on different points, like I just did before. Like I focus on here, and then like I feel whoosh, I connected with over there, and also like put some awareness in that. Like for instance, something you could do, you could put your head on the ground and maybe just listen listen what the needs are, listen what the vibes are, feel into what's needed, also what you need. Maybe there's something that you need too, and you are looking for some connection with someone. Maybe there is someone you have not spoken to in many years, and you just think of this person and I wonder how they're coping with the situation right now. It might be a good moment to give them a call. All right, so before we start to move, I just want to mention again my Kickstarter campaign. You can find this project, We Rock Corona, on Kickstarter.com. And I would greatly appreciate your donation. It does not matter how small the amount is, you can give what you can. If you can give something, and if you just enjoy the dance, that's just as fine. So I will count down the music, and we're going to either start together, or you can observe me a little while and just put the music at your device at home in your own pace. All right, so let me just go over there. Okay, so I'm going to hit the play button of this song, Nothing to Fear by Dexter Britain, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah, so this makes me happy. It makes me happy that you're all out there, you're all in the same situation, and the situation is literally creating connections and like reactivating old connections. So when I did this dance, I imagined how all the people in the world, there is like a net between them, and every little knot is like a connector of different strings that come together. And on the strings we can pass forward inspiration, love, support, funny things. We need humor these days. So there's a lot we can do on the internet, not only the virtual internet, but the internet of people being in this net. Okay, don't forget that everybody can do these dances. They are created in a way that you don't have to fulfill a certain level of fitness or age. So you can always do them in your own pace, in your intensity. Please dance with your grandparents, with your auntie. Share the link with your friends. Don't forget the Kickstarter campaign, because this would help me a lot. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.